have to. This time, it's not burnt. See? Even though the other one, it don't taste like it's burnt. It just look burnt. Who made $5? When you would chef at home. What the fuck?
I'm sorry, son. This range is 12 and up, and I don't see why anyone would want to watch children being devoured like that.